rescue, here we go. Misty Island rescue, here we go. With motors on the bubbling, the engines are coming. Misty Island rescue, here we go. Searching through the tunnels one by one. Searching through the tunnels one by one. Whipping Percy hunting, with pistons on a pumping. Searching through the tunnels one by one. Bash Dash Ferdinand, they're the logging locals, always there to lend a hand. Thomas has to make amends, so he needs his brand new friends today.
Yeehaw!
Help you every way. Edward, James, and Gordon on the way.
Let's get busting some boots. Alright. Alright, let's get rolling. Tonight we're gonna draw Grumpus God! Hold on, take two. What I meant to say was Grumpus God! One more. Grumpus God! Get it right for once, dummy! Alright, don't be an idiot. Alright, let's get started. Alexa, play it again. When this guy inspirits you, everyone starts to hate others for their negative attitude. I mean, who does that? Who would fall for something like that? This guy might have had a rough life. But, I'm sure, well, in his spare time, he has carved a special bear medallion. And, well, something he has close to his heart. Turns out this guy is actually a nice guy. Please don't try and make me blush. Alexa, what is a goat?
The goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. It was domesticated from the wild goat of Southwest Asia and Eastern Europe. The goat is a member of the animal family Bovidae and the tribe Caprini, meaning it is closely related to the sheep. There are over 300 distinct breeds of goat.
With motors on the building, the engines are coming. Misty Island rescue, here we go. Misty Island rescue, here we go.
And finished.
Misty Island rescue, here we go.
Rather, we finished drawing the apricot-colored spots on his wheels.
Here we go.
Alexa, what is an apricot?
According to Wikipedia, an apricot is a fruit, or the tree that bears the fruit, of several species in the genus Prunus. Usually, an apricot is from the species P. armeniaca, but the fruits of the other species in Prunus sect, Armeniaca, are also called apricots.
There he is. Good night, everyone. Alright. That settles that. That's how you draw Grumpus God! I meant Grumpus God. That's all for now. Please like and rock, subscribe to my channel. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.